Guys, we love today's video sponsor because it's Factor. So that means we get to dig into our meals that they sent us, and we got some heaters today. I'm thinking the Santa Fe shredded chicken and queso might be my route for today. Ooh, I don't know, this tomato chicken.
All right, I'll tell you what, I'll do the sun-dried tomato.
Chicken piccata.
Oh, it looks pretty legit.
All right, I'm going chicken piccata. These are the best because if you're mid-edit or freaking just ripping out in the shop, only takes 2 minutes and you have a hot, ready-to-rip meal. Only tool you need for the job, microwave. Done. She's ready to rip. And chocolate banana protein shake. I mean, that's speaking my language. Guys, warmer, sunnier days are calling. Meet your wellness goals this summer by signing up for Factor. Get your body fueled up with these no-mess, no-prep meals and choose from a nice menu of chef-crafted meals with options like Calorie Smart, Protein Plus, and even Keto. Factor's fresh, never-frozen meals are dietitian approved and ready to eat in just 2 minutes. So no matter how busy you are, you'll always have nutritious, great-tasting meals. Not only is the food delicious, it cuts down on the mess in your kitchen, cuts down on having to go to the grocery store. They're very flexible. I can adjust my order size or even skip a week if I'm going out of town. Factor just makes it so easy for me to stick with my goals. So head to factor75.com or use the link below and use code Cleetus50 to get 50% off your first Factor box and 20% off your next box. That's code Cleetus50 at factor75.com to get 50% off your first box and 20% off your next box while your subscription is active. Thanks to Factor for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna get back to eating my lunch.
Hell yeah, brother. You're on the Cleetus McFarland YouTube channel. Month of Freedom.
Hey, Mike.
Hi, guys.
How the heck? Hey, Mike.
Hi, guys.
How the heck are ya?
Good. How you doing, Garrett?
I'm good. Well, we're gonna fire up this old tractor and roll the runway.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you want to come with?
Sure.
All right, let me
put
park.
this-
All right, so if you guys saw our video about people landing on the runway, so I figured with all this stuff getting kind of high and low, we might come out here and just run it down with the roller. I haven't used that roller yet.
It is an incredible
Yeah.
thing. It's a beast.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
You have to use this tractor to tow it.
Yeah.
It's so big. Okay, you know about that.
Jackson, what you got here, buddy?
Got us some brake clean.
Some ether, you mean?
Yeah, that.
In
The
case
best.
we need it.
The best.
All right, guys, this is probably one of the coolest things about the airport is that it came with this old tractor. And I don't know much about it, but I can tell you it came with a really cool attachment. So what do we got here? John Deere 4440, battery unhooked. That's a good sign.
That's good.
That's
that
a good
means
sign.
That battery's probably good.
I would hope so.
It's a good sign.
And back here we have a massive concrete roller to flatten the runway in the event of it getting uneven, which as you guys know right now, she's a little tore
Look
up.
at this contraption.
Yeah, this
Those are
thing's
some beams, buddy.
this thing
Yeah,
is
don't get
beefy.
going too fast. You might not
Yeah.
stop. You could get flattened.
What do you think this thing weighs?
I don't know.
Definitely a few thousand pounds.
A few thousand.
Oh, sure.
I'd say we're in the 10-ton area. We could probably do a quick calculation on it. You got a tape measure, Mike?
Yeah, I gotta take care.
Well, we'll measure it out real quick, and all we have to do is leave it in the comments section, Mike, and the people will
They'll
calculate
figure
it
it
for
out.
us.
Cool.
We don't even have to run the numbers.
Yeah.
Give me a length and width, Jackson.
I don't have the brains to do it. I'll tell you that.
Yeah,
I was no good at math.
that's the beauty of YouTube, Mike.
It is a beauty.
All right, so
6 foot 9 inches.
6 foot 9 inches wide.
You want diameter?
Yep.
Run it.
5 foot
inch.
1 inch.
Yeah, 61 inches.
Okay. All right. And it's just pure
C
concrete.
R square. That's
Yeah, some-
circumference.
There's some sort of formula out there that exists
Yep.
that can tell us the cubic feet. Then someone look up how much concrete weighs and give us a number in the comments. Plus, throw on some bonus numbers for the steel I-beams that it rides on.
Red iron I-beams right there.
Damn, we
Pretty,
should.
pretty substantial.
Yeah, we should probably make sure this pupper's greased. Jackson, you want the honor of hitting the key on this
Well,
thing?
we gotta hook up our battery first.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move my car just to play it safe.
No, don't worry. We'll just. You can leave your car there, Mike. You're good.
The tires right for it,
Okay.
so it's safe.
Look at these tires.
My car looks like a piece of tinfoil in front over it.
We won't hit your car, Mike. You're good. Dude, look at these hogs. What size tires are we working with back here?
Monster truck.
They got a little bit of dry rot. A little bit of dry rot.
That's all right. We ain't going far or fast.
They're 20 by 38s.
38.
Okay, that'll work.
Yeah.
Hit the key.
Lights? No, wait.
You put some boost on the engine.
Let's
You could
hook
probably
this
hit
up.
some good speeds on it.
It's probably turboed.
It probably is.
Old John Deere
Don't forget
44.
the exhaust
Oh, yeah.
protector. Just the right height.
See if you got power.
It's going
We
to start
got
raining.
power.
It's going to start raining, isn't it? Soon.
Isn't? Oh, it rained yesterday a little bit and last
Yeah.
night. Ooh. Oh, hold on. You got a loose terminal. I mean, you got some battery power. That's a good sign.
Need wrench?
No, I think we can press her on. Come on, old girl. She sounds low.
She sounds low on the juice. That
All right.
ground cable right there, too.
Yeah. Oh.
What do you,
Yeah. Well,
looks like a 9/16.
here's the deal. I got jumper cables in my truck. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Look at this unit, dude.
It's a rig.
I love this thing.
Who doesn't love
I daily
big
this
old
unit.
tractor, dude?
I daily this thing. Hey, Mike, are you a red to black or black to red type of guy? You run them red to red, or do you go red to?
Red to red.
We do red to black here.
Okay.
I told Mike he's got to switch all his operations to red to black.
Yeah, red to black.
See what she's got now, brother. Yeah, hit it. Oh, baby. That's too easy. Yeah, you pull it off.
This thing runs great.
That's too easy.
Didn't even use a brake clean.
I know, I'm kind of sad that we brought our brake clean. I was hoping to
have to use it.
That thing just burn away.
Get this thing out of the way.
Yeah, get this out of the way, dude.
I've been waiting for this moment.
Hopefully he knows how to drive this thing. It's a whole bunch of levers and 4 pedals.
You're driving it.
I'm just a starting guy. Now, what an absolute unit this thing is. Thing just fired right up. Look. Look at this thing. This thing is sweet. Dude, just clacking away. Wow. Yeah, so there's a bunch of stuff down here, like 4 pedals, and a whole bunch of things up there, bud.
Yeah, I think it's got a clutch.
It's got something.
Oh, here's the throttle. Maybe not. Oh, here's the throttle. Maybe not, maybe not. That's so great.
Oh, there she is. There it is. All right, rev her up, dude. Oh, yeah. All right. Drive her out of here. Wow.
You almost did a wheelie. Ah, dude, you almost did a wheelie.
It's a lot of weight.
First of all, the roof is falling out of this thing. That thing's way heavier than I think we anticipated.
It's really something.
Like I was full throttle, and I didn't want to burn up the. I don't know. Maybe I was just being a wimp. I don't know what gear it's in. Is there?
Yeah, it could be in second or something.
Okay, so you got
Could be a
wow.
little.
All right, so
There's
it
a
looks
lot.
like A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. So what I'm thinking is we got a first, second, third, and fourth. Okay, all right. I know what's going on. Let me refire.
You got
back
it
up.
now?
I'm sorry, guys.
All right, fire it back
Sorry
up.
to just be a disgrace to what.
You almost had it.
Yeah, keyword almost. Oh! The roof keeps falling on his head.
He's too tall for everything.
Yeah. Oh, here it comes. Oh, there it is. machinery right there.
Look how flat the ground is back there.
Yeah, it just started putting her down.
Like we were just standing on uneven ground and it just flattened the
Yeah, it's all
area
perfectly
coming out of
flat.
there. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Dude, I need to run this on my yard at home.
Yeah.
Dump your
Yeah,
Freedom
knock
Factory.
down Jameson's freaking.
Look, you can see
Ripper
right
truck.
now. It just flattens where we just drove to. The ultimate striper. I mean, you don't get stripes like this with
No.
any other tractor.
I mean, everything's just laid over flat right now.
Wow. Just knock this mound, this little dirt mound, nice
Completely
and flat.
flat.
All right.
Absolute unit.
I got to zip tie a roof up and then I'll get started on that. But let's go get the mower out so you can mow
Yeah.
while I do the runway.
Perfect.
How much fuel we got?
I can't see it. There's
Ah.
like a plate in there.
I don't like
There's
that.
fuel on top of it, but I can see around the side of it, and I
Alright.
can't see fuel.
Let's
I
go
can hear
top it off.
But I would definitely top it off before you drive it.
All right, so we got Mike is grabbing us a drill and we're gonna fix that roof. She runs good though. Can you check the oil?
She runs great.
Make sure it's got oil in it.
Let me get to the grips.
I don't know what other tractor. I don't think the tractors we own would tow this thing, dude.
No.
Sucker was working to get that thing moving. Oh wow, that oil is darker than
She's a, old diesel,
backside of the moon. Golly,
but she's full.
she is full. Okay, can't beat old John Deere, brother.
Okay. Look at it just flattening all that ground back
That
there.
is crazy. All right, well, on our way to fuel, we'll hit this
Yeah,
first
hit a
row.
couple of spots right here.
Dude, that's so cool.
We're rolling.
That might be a little too fast for old girl.
Perfect.
All right, well, our diesel tank is not functional. So Jackson's gonna dip the tank. We're gonna see how much. I know, it's a dipstick. Let's see what we got. Okay. Probably a good bit. About a quarter tank. That'll get us going, all right? Let's go get your tractor. We don't got time to waste. All right, we're gonna go get Jackson's tractor. We got mine good to go right now. Look at all these beautiful planes. It's chilling. All right, so this old girl came at the airport as well. That's a nice unit there, Jackson.
That is.
You're gonna be dialed in, my brother.
Look at those fender covers.
So this is the 2440. Looks like they were bought the same year, if I had to guess.
They do.
I don't know which one's forward or back. Oh, that's
That's throttle.
looks
That's
like
something. I'm gonna stay out of your way. Oh, there it is. That's 40. Got that dog in it. PTO. That's reverse.
left one is forward reverse.
So this one,
Here is forward reverse.
front to back.
This one is how you choose like high or low.
Whoa! On the wheelie. What an absolute unit this thing
units.
Got a folder? Alright, so this is probably a PTO right here. Well, actually not, these hydraulic lines don't do anything right here. This is raised and lower, so if you pull that up, it goes up. This is for something else. Oh, I got it. Yeah.
There she is. Yeah, I'm spinning.
That's this one right here.
Yeah.
Runway doesn't need to be cut, but I have a spot that does, so let's ride over there.
Come on in out here tractoring. Like Christmas.
All right, so jack stand is gonna mow out the house pad so you can see the stakes.
I see him.
We got to get that cleaned up because we got some things on the rise in upcoming weeks. So mow a path from the road and then just hit that box, and then I'll hit the runway
I can do that.
and we'll be done in a few hours.
Come in off the road into there.
Yeah, just go back out the way you came in and let it rip.
Jesus. Sorry about your tin.
Well, that's okay. I can reuse it. I'll fix it.
You can make that round again?
Absolutely.
Wow.
I'll have it round in about 10 minutes.
Wouldn't want that to be your noggin. Can you bend that back?
Sure, no problem.
The lid made it.
The lid is good.
Instantly came off. Lid said I'm out.
That's right.
All right, Jackson, you know where you're mowing?
I'm mowing.
I know where I'm rolling.
All right.
Let's knock it out.
See you in a couple hours.
difference? How freaking cool is that?
Man and his tractor. Striping away the runway. I know, they're insane. Look at them.
Oh my gosh.
Striping away.
I have never, well, I guess not a mower, but I've never seen anything like stripes like this.
Dude, they're perfect. When I got off the mower over there, I already took a video of the stripes. I was so impressed with
I'm
them.
like, damn.
Dude, you can see them so perfect in the video too.
That's unbelievable. Like, you don't get stripes like
I
that.
don't think you can buy a piece of equipment that lays a stripe.
You know
like
what I
that.
was wondering is, what year is this bad girl? Have we even looked?
It's the right year.
Is there a data tag on it?
There's got to be somewhere.
I don't know what year this is, but I love it. You want to hit a lap on her, dude?
It's a piece of equipment.
You got to hit a lap. She rips. What a behemoth of a tractor. Isn't that thing crazy? That thing moves, dude. Brother, these stripes, I'm just saying, you should get a headshot right now for your LinkedIn profile.
Dude,
I got you. What in the... I'm like mind blown by this old John Deere and this giant homemade concrete roller.
Dude, I've never seen stripes so fine. In like Texas yards growing up, dude, you could get some nice stripes.
These
but
are luscious.
This is nice.
Look at this thing just bombing on by. Jackson, you got to get on the stripe, dude. A little bit of a gap there. All right. I'm not going to say I didn't have some gaps on my stripes either. All right, guys. Well, those ruts you saw the other day are flattened like a pancake now. I mean, the roller did exactly what we'd hoped it would do. I mean, it literally flattened any of the ruts. There was a big rut right there. I don't know if you can tell now. It's freaking flat. What do you know? Well, Jackson, tell them what you did.
I pushed it too far against your rag and it was in reverse, so I went to go get off it and she died.
Stalled it. Now we can't get it started. At least it's on the side of the runway.
Yeah.
Still usable.
Yeah.
We're thinking the starter might be hot.
Warm, you know, these old things.
A little toasty.
You know, they get warm to act up.
Let me try it. Come on, mate.
She's close.
I think we're gonna have to leave her here.
She's close. Yeah, she needs to pull back.
How'd your mowing job go? Smooth?
Our mower just chugs right along.
Rips, dude.
Could use a little blade sharpening. but
Yeah, we're pretty dialed in.
It's the job. It runs great.
All right, guys. Well, mission pretty much accomplished. We had maybe one stripe to go, and we stalled the tractor, and now she won't fire back up just because she's hot. And we learned our lesson.
Learned a lesson. Don't
Overall-
let it shut off.
Overall, we successfully accomplished our goals, though.
Absolutely.
We got the runway flattened out. The roller is freaking amazing. And until the next video out here at Bald Eagle Airfield, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Do it for Dale. We'll freaking see you later. And don't forget to check out the Bald Eagle Airfield t-shirt on CleetusMcFarland.com.